Nowadays, there are quite a few AI video generation platforms, as well as AI photo generation platforms available. Many of them can be used for free, while some are paid. However, one common thing about most platforms is that they come with various restrictions. So when you enter certain prompts, they may tell you that images or videos like those can't be generated. So one thing people usually say is that if you want to generate AI photos and videos without any restrictions, you should use open source platforms. But those need to be installed locally on your computer. To install them, you'll need a really powerful graphics card and other hardware. So what we usually see is that the AI video generation or AI photo generation models we access through our computer or even our phone often have certain restrictions. Some prompts simply may not work. In this video, we're going to look at an AI photo generation and AI video generation platform that doesn't have major restrictions. Another thing worth mentioning is that you can even use this platform for free. Anyway, the first thing you need to do is open any browser. I'm opening a browser now. After opening the browser, search for A2E. When you search for A2E, you'll find a website called A2E.ai. I'll also leave the website link in this video's description and the comment box. You can simply click it to reach the website. Anyway, open the website. Once it's open, you'll land on this page. First, you'll need to log in. To do that, you'll see the Start Free option. Just click it. After that, you'll see the Sign In or Sign Up option. Click on it. Then sign in using your Microsoft account or Google account. When you log in for the first time, you'll receive 100 credits for free. Another interesting thing is that you'll also get free daily credits. These aren't credits that expire every day. If you simply log in daily, you'll receive 30 free credits. So what I usually do is log into this account almost every day. Each time I log in, I get 30 free credits, and those credits stay in the account. As you can see here on the side, I currently have 1,020 credits remaining. The reason I have that many is because I log in every day. Those 30 credits keep getting added, and they've reached 1,020 credits. So whenever I need them, I can use them. On this platform, you can generate videos, audio, and photos. You can even edit photos. Anyway, let's first look at photo generation. For that, you'll find the search menu option here. Just click it. Then you'll have the option to select a model. I'm selecting the text-to-image option. After selecting it, you can enter the prompt you want. There's also an option to select the model. One thing to note is that not all models are available for free. Only certain models are free. I'm selecting the A2E model itself. There's also an option to choose the resolution. You can get full HD resolution for free. If you want 2K resolution, you'll need their subscription. Another thing worth mentioning is that there aren't many restrictions. I'm entering a prompt now. After that, you can select the aspect ratio. You can also choose how many outputs you want. Once that's done, click Generate. It only costs 10 credits to generate one photo. Anyway, I'm clicking Generate now. An image has been generated here. If you click on it, you'll get the option to download it. There's a download button here. If you click it, the image will be downloaded. One thing to keep in mind is that there aren't major restrictions. You can generate almost any type of image. If you want to edit an image, you'll see the image editor option on the side. Just click it. Once you click it, you can upload the image you want to edit. For that, I'm clicking Upload Image. When you do that, it'll ask you to upload an image. I'm uploading one now. This is the source image. There's also a second option called Reference Image. If you want, you can upload a reference image as well. Then, if you specify that you want a photo similar to the reference image, it'll generate one accordingly. In other words, it'll make the person in the first photo look like the one in the second photo. Anyway, if you scroll down, you'll see a few options. There's an option to select the resolution. As I mentioned earlier, 2K resolution is available only for paid subscribers. You can also select the aspect ratio if you want. You can choose how many outputs you'd like as well. After that, you can type the changes you want to make. You can enter anything you like, and as I mentioned earlier, there aren't any major restrictions. If you don't want high face similarity, you can tick the Disable Face Similarity Enhancement option. I'm not doing that though. Anyway, I'm clicking Generate. As you can see, the image has now been generated. I had asked it to change the dress. It changed the dress color to red while keeping the person's face the same. No other changes were made, so it did a really good job editing the image. As I mentioned earlier, you can download it as well. One thing to keep in mind is that the photos and videos in this account will only remain for 3 days. If it's a paid account, they'll stay for much longer. But if it's a free account, they'll only remain for 3 days. So make sure to download any photos or videos you generate as soon as possible. Now, let's generate videos. To do that, click on the search menu. Then simply search for video. Once you search for video, you'll find several image-to-video options. If that's what you need, you can select any of them. Anyway, I've selected image to video. After selecting it, you'll see the upload image or video option. Just click it and upload an image. Then it'll ask for the duration and the number of outputs you want. If you scroll down, you'll also find the option to enter a prompt. You can type whatever prompt you want here. I'm entering a prompt now. It takes 30 credits to generate one video. I'm clicking Generate. Once you do that, the video generation process will begin. The video has now been generated. Let's quickly open it. If you want to download it, just like I mentioned earlier, there's a download button here. Click it to download the video. Anyway, let's play the video. I'm playing it now. As you can see, the results are actually quite good. So that's how you can generate videos. You can also generate videos by entering only a prompt without uploading a photo. There are plenty of other features available as well. Some of them require a paid subscription, but many are available for free. If you want to upscale an image, there's an upscale option. If your videos or images are low quality, you can use it to enhance them. There are also features like product avatar. If you want to create a product avatar, you can do that here. There's also a talking video option, as well as an actor animation option. You can also upload a photo of your character and make it speak. For that, there's a create lip sync option. If you select it, you can upload your avatar. You can also add audio here. Or if you prefer, you can enter the text you want the character to say. Then you can generate the video. It costs 1 credit per second of video. So if you want to generate a 1-minute video, you'll only need about 60 credits. You can create those kinds of videos as well. The biggest highlight of everything I've mentioned is that this platform doesn't have heavy censorship, so you should definitely give it a try. It's not just that you can generate photos and videos for free, the fact that it has very few restrictions is also a major advantage. I hope you found this video useful. Anyway, please leave your genuine opinion about this video in the comments. Also, if you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and give it a hype as well.